My name is Arqum, and I am an international student from Karachi, Pakistan. I matriculated at Christ College in 2015 to study biological natural sciences. I am now studying for a PhD in cancer biology at the Bagram Institute and the Department of Oncology. During school, I developed a profound interest in natural sciences. I was especially enthusiastic about the accelerating pace and transformative impact of discoveries in life sciences. Despite my strong academic interest and performance, I never considered applying to Cambridge, mainly due to the high tuition fees for international students. It was only during my time at Karachi Grammar School when I first learned about the generous scholarships awarded by the Cambridge Trust and decided to apply. I was greatly inspired by the academic journeys of former scholars from my school and had the privilege to contact them for guidance during the application and interview process. Studying natural sciences at Cambridge provided me an unparalleled opportunity to engage in critical scientific inquiry across a range of disciplines with a strong focus on research. My undergraduate learning inspired me to pursue postgraduate research in cancer biology. I was specifically interested in investigating the complex cellular and molecular biology of cancer, potentially uncovering novel opportunities for targeted therapies and early detection. Given the strong biomedical research ecosystem in Cambridge, I applied for local studentships advertised through the Cambridge Postgraduate Course Directory and the Cambridge Trust Scholarship Search. I was thrilled to receive the MRes plus PhD Cambridge Cancer Centre studentship, jointly offered by the Cambridge Trust and Cancer Research UK. During my MRes degree, I completed research projects in the Department of Biochemistry and the Department of Pharmacology. Subsequently, I transitioned to the Bagram Institute for my PhD project, which investigates novel drivers of oncogenic PI3 kinase signaling in prostate cancer. Cambridge is inarguably one of the most renowned institutions of higher learning across the globe. Inevitably, Cambridge's reputation is associated with certain preconceptions. For some aspiring students, especially those from minority groups like myself, Cambridge evokes an impression of exclusivity, elitism, and privilege. I was also initially concerned about the impact of these stereotypes on my student life. However, during my time at Cambridge, these identities actually enabled me to engage with many welcoming student communities. The Islamic Society and the Pakistani Society especially helped me navigate life at Cambridge while celebrating my religious and cultural identities. The recently built Cambridge Central Mosque, with its sustainable, intricate, and alluring architecture, has now become pivotal to my religious experience at Cambridge, especially during the meditative moments of Ramadan and the festivities of Eid. One of the most exhilarating aspects of Cambridge life is the coexistence of such affirming spaces with opportunities for new, exciting experiences. During my time at Cambridge, I have indulged my creativity through theatre and dance. I have also improved my humble athletic abilities with rowing, badminton, cycling, and running. My engagement in student politics was especially enlightening given the profound geopolitical events of the last few years. More recently, my involvements with GAP Summit and Cambridge University Venture Capital and Private Equity Society have inspired and enabled my professional development. I have also transitioned from being a supervisee to a supervisor, gaining invaluable teaching skills at an early stage of my academic journey. Reflecting on my evolving Cambridge experience, I am extremely grateful to platforms like the Cambridge Trust for introducing me to talented people and prompting fascinating conversations. Conversations in crowded seminars, bustling cafes, grandiose dining halls, and idyllic gardens. Conversations that resulted in paradigm shifts and lifetime friendships. Conversations that were unfortunately curtailed by COVID-19, yet continued on camera. Conversations that will fondly remain with me far beyond my time at Cambridge.